Hi guys, this is Marian from Nokiamob, and we have here Withings Move ECG. So the latest watch from French company Withings, which used to be a part of Nokia health department. So let's just unbox it and see how it looks like. So, what does it say? Instant atrial fibrillation detection in the app, activity and sleep tracking, battery up to 12 months, swimming tracking, syncs with the Bluetooth to the HealthMate app. Okay, let's check it. We've been trying to reach Withings for a long time now. They finally answered and gave us this one. Interesting. There is a nice Withings logo, really organic. Huh, this is something new, unseen from before. An interesting package. Whoa, whoa, whoa. So this is the Move ECG. It is a little bit bulky, light. Quite light actually. A little bubble design there. Actually need to touch the wrist. Here is Withings next to my Huawei Watch GT. Dials are clearly visible with this orange yellow one that shows you the steps. Quick start. Thank you for choosing. Installation. Many languages. I like this one. It's interesting. English, French, Spanish, Italian. That's it. Thanks for watching.